Hello, today I want to review new motors from Racer Star I got yesterday, and that are BR2205S 2300 kV. You can see there came in such quite sweet boxes. Each box contains one motor inside and screw set. Here is the motor and 4 6mm screws and 4 8mm screws. Counterclockwise version comes with red nut and clockwise with a black one. So as you can see, the surface is quite fine and it looks really well machined. Also, as that was declared, there is a hollow shaft inside, and it's separated from the top side. You can see that it just goes through the top cover. Here is the back side. You can see the quite big holes for air to get a good cooling. So that's first impression. That looks to be quite good motor for $8. I think you can't get better for that price. But let's start a technical review of this, because there are some points I didn't like in them really. The first was that counterclockwise versions are amazing. They're smooth, there is no backlash, and they're great. But the clockwise versions have quite noticeable backlash. I prepared a leg with a propeller and motor on it to show how big is backlash. I think you can see that in your video now, and maybe you can hear the noise. And the one looks to be a little bent even. When it rotates, it makes some vibrations. So that's the first thing I didn't like. And on the clockwise motors, I decided to disassemble it to find the reason of backlash. And here is it. The axis is a little smaller than must be. It must be about 2.98, 99 or like that to have a backlash, but here we can see about 0.05 gap between it and the bearings. Also, I prepared some motor I had before that you can buy that for about $6. That's Emax replica or like that. Just wanted to use it to compare. Here's the same problem with backlash, but let's check what we see inside the BR motors. You can see there are two glue points. I think that's balancing, and magnets look to be glued quite well here, so I don't think that during crash you can lose some magnets like I had on these motors. But let's check wiring. Wiring looks not ideal, and there is quite a lot of free space left which could be used to make more copper there and get more power. For example, in this motor you can see that it's much more filled with the copper. So that's the second thing I didn't like in them. Let's place it back. So you can see that it rotates. Here is a small spacer. It was on the axis, and the latch. Here is it. So I think that's all for today. I will try to make thrust tests for them soon, and what can I say, they are quite good for their price, but I think for clockwise ones I have to ask about replacement motors from Banggood. So that's all, thank you for watching, bye.